Meanwhile, for the Himachal Pradesh government, the troubles seem to not end. Now, the Himachal High Court has issued an order attaching the Himachal Bhavan in Delhi on account that the Congress-led Sukhwinder Singh Sukhu government failed to pay electricity dues to the tune of Rs 150 crores. Now, the High Court has also directed the Principal Secretary of the Power Department to conduct a fact-finding inquiry to identify the officials responsible for the negligence that led to this situation. In fact, the court's decision comes after Sukhu's government ignored the previous orders to repay Rs 64 crore, which is now increased to nearly Rs 150 crores due to the interest. Viewers, I'd like to bring in my colleague Lalit, who's joining us live. Lalit, really tell us, because the Himachal Pradesh government, for them the troubles just seem to be brewing every now and then. And now with the delayed payments for the electricity and Himachal Bhavan getting sort of like, an option for auction for the government really as a last resort, what other details do we have as of now? What is the state government likely to do?
Well, Priyanka, if you talk about it's another embarrassment for the Sukhu-led Congress government in Himachal Pradesh. As a 150 crore pending electricity bill is pending from the Himachal Bhavan, and regarding that, now the auction would be done as the orders has been passed on 18th November. That means yesterday. In that order, it has been clearly said that the Sukhu government failed to pay 64 crore rupees, and with interest now it has amounted up to 150 crore. If you overall talk about this whole issue, which was pending in the Himachal High Court on 13th January 2023, the Himachal High Court that time passed an order to the Directorate of Energy Himachal Pradesh, in which it was asked to refund 64 crore rupees with 7% interest per annum to the electricity. After that, when this amount was not being paid, the Himachal High Court went to the division bench, and from that they got relief of stay. But that stay was also challenged in the division court, on which now on 15th July 2024 that stay was vacated, and it was asked that to pay the pending 64 crore rupees. When the state government did not pay the money yesterday, now the court in the execution petition which was filed by the petition now gave the order to give 150 crore rupees, and if the said amount is not being paid, then the order and directions has been given that the Himachal Bhavan, which is located in Delhi, they could take necessary steps to auction that Himachal Bhavan. Other than that, the fact-finding committee would be formed, in which directions has been given that in the next 15 days the Principal Secretary of the Energy Department of Himachal Pradesh would find out the negligence of the officers who led to this. So it's another embarrassment for the Sukhu-led government in Himachal Pradesh. Back to the studio.
Rightly said, Lalit. Just stay on the line. We'll just get back to you shortly, as the BJP, as we understand, has now lashed out at the Sukhu government and called out its Khatakhat model of politics.